Hello, you beautiful 99ers. I am Switch the 99, and in today's video, I'm at the 99 today to see what is new, what is at the store. So, if you guys are interested in hanging out with me, and also I will be announcing the winner of the $100 Visa gift card in this video. So stick around to see if you are the winner. So, with that, let's jump right into the walkthrough and see what we can find today here at the 99. Wow, look what finally hit the 99. These are gorgeous signs. Santa stops here, and they are galvanized, and they are $3.49. They're pretty sturdy. Oh, so excited. This is definitely a new item, and I'll be taking one home with me. So exciting about these mugs. You guys, these are so hot right now. I'm not kidding. The gingerbread man, Target has something very similar for $5. Get them here for $1.49. Definitely a must have. And these are so cute. Look at these. Oh my god. Okay, just when I thought I had enough mugs, like the 99 keeps rolling out even more. Like, look at these ones with little sweaters. I've always thought about getting some of those, but I'm like, I don't know. Like, my only thing with that is that if they get wet or if they get dirty, but there's still plenty to choose from, so be on the lookout. Oh my god, I cannot believe I'm gonna grab that. Yeah, I snatched that gingerbread one. And look at these with the little gnomes inside, the cups. Very cute. All right, so I know Thanksgiving is this week coming up, so it's a good time to be snatching some of these up for non-alcoholic cheers as well as for the kiddos. And let's see what other little treats we can find. You can make some hibiscus. Oh, actually, this is the cars. But actually, was gonna say you can make some hibiscus. I did end up grabbing one of these the last time I bought it. Saw them, and they're actually pretty good. So I would definitely say maybe try it. You know, a little refresher, something different for the holiday season. So let's continue on and see what else we can find. Okay, these surprisingly have been really popular. I was talking to the one of the employees who was stocking, and she was telling me that they keep restocking these, just because there's such a demand. People keep buying them, so it might not be a bad idea to pick one up now while you still can. And I'm so excited that these are restocked. I don't know why the camera looks a little weird. I apologize. But they restocked these as well. I did notice a few items have been restocked. So if you didn't have a chance to grab these last time, make sure you grab them now because I don't think they're going to come back. I did ask the manager. She did say that they might have another Christmas truck on Tuesday, but that might be it as far as Christmas. So I don't think they're going to be getting anything more. So items like these, definitely grab them now because it's starting to look like slim pickings. Except for these. These have not been touched. But anyway, yeah, so if you are looking for any Christmas at the 99, I would definitely say stock up now because they're not expecting any more Christmas possibly this week, and that's the end of it. I think they need to make sure that they sell out so they have room for New Year's and whatever else comes in the new year. So just keep that in mind. So if you are a gnome fan, make sure you grab them because there's tons of gnomes here here at the 99 and the cute little planters for 199. All right, let's continue on. And check these out. These are little gingerbread cookies in the shape of a tree. Put that back. And of course, they have Santa. And of course, you got to have gingerbread man. got Congratulations, Cindy Frichiger. You are the winner of the $100 Visa gift card for my Thanksgiving giveaway. Congratulations again, Cindy. I will ask you please email me by November 26th so I can mail out your gift card as soon as possible in time for the holidays. So again, everybody, please congratulate Cindy Frichiger. Congratulations again, and thank you for watching. And let's continue on with the walkthrough. And speaking of New Year's, these would be pretty cool game for New Year's. This is a drinking game. Again, if you are just looking to do a family, you could always do the non-alcoholic sparkling cider. And these are pretty cute little cake stands for desserts. Again, doesn't have to be New Year's, but just thinking about that time. And these are $2.49. And I'm actually going to grab one of these for my friend. Her daughter loves to dress up, so I'm probably gonna grab one of those. And they have the little different I don't know. I feel like this could be for New Year's. I'm not sure. But anyway, I don't know why I just have New Year's on the mind at this point. But yeah, let's see. And one thing that they will say is that the 99 is stocked with toys. I will definitely keep showing you more toys. But definitely, I would say pick them up now. And they're doing a lot of coupons as well. I know that this week they had a $10 off 50, and next week they're offering a $9 off 50. So it's like definitely a good time to be going to the 99, just to be stocking up on toys and just other gift ideas, especially when you can get them for a little cheaper with coupons. So just something to keep in mind. And more dining sets. These are cute little, if you're trying to have like an adult fancy party, excuse me. I thought these were be a nice idea. Nice little branded 99. And as I mentioned, see, this is the other side of the store. It is jam packed with toys, and I think this is like what you'd expect at any 99 right now. They are going to have a lot of toys, so make sure you snatch them up, because there's a lot of really nice toys. I'm not going to go into great detail in every single one, but just want to give you a nice view of what to look for and what to expect. I mean, like, just look at some of these dolls, like, $9.99. Like, normally stuff like this will probably cost you about $20 to $30, or more, depending on the brand. But definitely a lot of nice variety for boys, girls, and really young to older kids. Oh, I want this. I'm like, this would be perfect for under the tree. They're very vintage style. And look at these, really nice. See, again, a nice mixture of toys for every kinds of kids. And I don't know these Borderlands, but I'm sure if you have the little ones, they definitely know who they are. And they have the little troll dolls, tons of those as well. Definitely noticing a lot of troll dolls, definitely. And yeah, just a lot of different toys for older kids as well, and board games, definitely. So let's continue on and see what other items we can find. And of course, you gotta have little ones, toys for the little baby toddlers as well. And look at this. This is the Cozy Up. Oh, this is the women's hair ties and such for $3.99. And they have these cute little throw blankets right now. These are perfect since we are getting into colder weather. And that's one thing I love about the 99 is they always have tons of throws and tons of pillows. Definitely a good time. Excuse me. To be stocking up. And look at this cute little drum set, or not the drum set, but just a drum for toddlers for $4.99, because that's exactly what you need, as giving them something to make more noise with. Yeah, but anyway, let's continue on and see what's over here. I'm just gonna move this out of the way. What is that? Home plate. Okay, it's like a basketball. Not really sure. Let's see if there's any. There we go. Okay, I'm just gonna. Yeah, I guess I don't know. Anyway, and let's see. This is the fragrance set. So this would be a nice little gift for mom or even for yourself. A cute little set. And let's see. They have other diffusers. Oh, look at these. These look nice for $6.99. I'm not really sure though if that's a great savings, because I normally don't buy stuff like this. So you guys let me know in the comment section if you think that is a good deal. And let's look over here. Oh, I like these. Oh, I think I saw these at the other store, at the grand opening, or something similar to it. But yeah, those are cute. It's still technically fall. And speaking of, what's funny? That Target has something very similar to this. Just the container alone, the glass is $5. So get it here at the 99. That's not a bad deal. And then they brought these back again for $2.99. The little canister, I guess. Glass ones with the And look at this. This is definitely a nice little set. Again, thinking of ideas for gifts. You have different options for her or for yourself or for mom. One thing I am curious about, do people like these types of gift sets? Let me know down in the comment section. Again, more gift sets for women. So again, do let me know. I'm just curious to know, if you get these types of gifts, do you like them? Is it something that you enjoy? Because they definitely seem to be having a lot of these types of pre-made gifts. $2.99. Not sure about the price though. Okay, this one is a nice big makeup set. Okay, for $5.99. My camera would focus. And let's see. Oh, look at these little lip glosses by Barbie for $3.99. I'm not sure about the price though. And let's see. Ioni, or at least what's left of it. All right, let's see. And they have the Yes To for $1.99. Yes To is definitely a hit or miss. Sometimes you find something like I really like, and then sometimes you're like, I'm not really a fan of it. So, but I think this is definitely a restock. I remember seeing this a couple of weeks ago, so I think they've restocked those. Because they tend to go quick. Name brands like this, like Orbalescence, these tend to go fast as well. Just simply because of the how expensive they tend to be at like a CVS. Even if you coupon, I know that they're not always the cheapest. And of course, they always are bringing out some kind of hemp shampoo or lotion, and that's the one for this week. And they had OJ. I was a little hesitant about this one, you guys. For $3.99, I was like, I'm not sure. I feel like with stuff like this, if it's $1.99, I tend to go for it. But anyway, they had this one as well. There's the Tropicana. And let's see what else they had. This was definitely a good deal. They had the Natural Bliss. This is the all natural creamer. And they also, let's see, when does it expire? In December 4th. And they also had the almond creamer, this one is the plant-based. So I think I'm going to grab two of those. And I did mention before that I am hosting Christmas, so I'm going to be grabbing a case of these. Just for the little nostalgia. When I think of Christmas, I always think of the Coca-Cola truck. So I thought those kind of reminded me of that. So I'll be grabbing a couple of those. And this is definitely new as well. This is the Evian sparkling waters. I guess they are for your mind. I guess, I don't know. I guess healthy water. I mean, isn't water healthy to begin with? But anyway, those are definitely new. And they have this giant Evo extra virgin olive oils, and these are $3.99. Okay, yeah, some of the prices have definitely gone up, but again, I'm just here to show you guys everything that is here. Like this fancy pasta, at least I don't know if it's fancy, but it looks fancy to me. I don't know, I've never seen this brand before here at the 99, but I'm always adventurous and try the different pastas that they bring in. Look at this one. This one is the Target brand. That is so funny. The Good and Better, that is a brand by Target. How funny is that? Oh, and look at these little they're 99 cents. There are the persimmons or persimmons. But yeah, they're 99 cents, and they have these other ones, the larger ones, for $2.49. Not a bad deal. I know these are in season, which I think explains why they're so inexpensive. And of course, they have the little tangerines. I love these. I always buy these when I see them. And they are $2.99. So let's continue on. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. This was definitely a quick walkthrough, but I will be back later this week. I know Thanksgiving is coming up, so I wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving with all of your loved ones and friends and family, and I am thankful for all of you. So have a great day, and I will see you on the next one.